Hey guys, so here's your homework for the speed challenge graph. I'm going to help you with the first one, and then you are on your own for the second two. So congratulations on finding this. So here's what we're going to do. Just like on Wednesday, you guys did your speed challenge where you went outside and you hopped and you walked backwards and you ran and all that stuff. Well, I came up with my own data for that. So based on the data that I got for my speed challenge, we're going to graph the results of my activity. So we've got the first challenge, which is hopping. When we graph, we're going to be graphing on something called a distance time graph. It's really easy to know that this is a distance time graph because it says distance on the y-axis and time is on the x-axis. Notice the units here. The distance units are in meters, so this means 5 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters. The unit for time is seconds, so this means 1 second, 3 seconds, 5, 7, and 9. Notice how everything is evenly spaced on the y and the x axis. So let's go to our first challenge, hopping. For A, it says that it took Mrs. B 2 seconds to hop 5 meters. Well, I'm going to graph that on my distance time graph. So 2 seconds is down here on the x-axis. I'm going to go 1, 2. And if it took me 2 seconds to hop 5 meters, I go all the way up to the 5, and I make my dot. Please try to make your dots as exact as possible. My lines are not going to be straight because I'm doing this with my cursor. I would like you to use a ruler. Once you make your first line, go back to the very corner of your graph and make a straight line from the corner up to your first dot. Then I go to B. B says it took Mrs. B 5 seconds to hop 10 meters. So I'm going to start at 0, go over to 5 seconds, and up to 10 meters, and make a dot. Whoops, that is a crazy looking dot. Go to your last dot and make a straight line from your last dot to your second dot. Then let's look at C. It took Mrs. B 8 seconds to hop 15 meters. So I'm going to go down here, 7, 8 is right here, to hop 15 meters. So at 8 seconds, I went 15 meters, make the dot, go to your last dot, make a straight line to your next dot. You're finished with graph number 1, and now you just need to do graphs for challenge 2 and 3 on your own. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a fabulous 3-day weekend.